All right, so I figured it out. I got no excuses. I mean, tons of people freaking vlog on their phone, so why not? Might as well send it, right? Today is gonna be kind of just a POV because I don't have the mic set up for the helmet yet. So my idea to do the moto vlog, the photo shoot, today's just gonna be a ride. So we're gonna go out, link it up with my buddy. He just got a new S1000RR. Freaking, he just tuned his bike with the Bren tune. It has an SC Sound Project exhaust. I think it's an SC Sound Project or the SC, whatever the hell it is. You know, the super loud boomy pop BMW exhaust. It sounds really good, and it just makes my insides tingle, you know. Here's my ADD kicking in. Can't stand this. Using the front camera on my phone, I have to look at the side of my phone to look at you, but instead I'm looking at myself, which looks like I'm looking at nothing. So, not a fan. But, however, we're gonna see how today goes. Just go for a chill little ride through the city, you know, get some videos, probably take some photos, some pictures and whatnot. So, yeah, it'll be a good time.
If you go that slow. Uh-oh. Right down, dude? Oh no, that's just a really shitty parking spot. Oh, we were here. No, because we came up this way. We came up this way and then went back that way. Yeah. I'm just gonna send it up the stairs real quick. No, let's fucking do it. You're good. Yeah, I'm just gonna let everybody go. music going on right now. This way. Alright, we gotta go right anyways. Oh, and then we gotta go left.
So, I just realized something, right? I'm working on this video, and I am so used to taking videos for Instagram, right? I am super used to taking videos this way, because you post to Instagram this way, right? I didn't take any of the little, like, cinematic type shots that I got today this way. So, please ignore my little goofball here. I can't say that it won't happen again because I am slow and it will absolutely happen again. So if you don't see cinematic videos in my videos from here on out, it's not because I didn't take them. It's because I goofed. I screwed the pooch. So yeah, ignore that. Thanks. Okay, so things I learned from today. A is naked bikes when it is under 80 degrees is cold. Today was 50 and I only wore a hoodie, so not the greatest of ideas. Let's not do that again. Learned that one, understand now. Also, the GoPro Hero 6 Black is old and the battery dies very fast, and also a 30 something mega gig. A 30 gig memory card is not nearly enough. Either way, I got better and more gear coming soon. We'll get this stuff going. But if you guys liked Das video, do the whole YouTube thing and hit buttons and ring bells and shit. See you in the next one. Why did I do that? That was fucking cringe. Whatever. Yeah, later.